In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Google Drive. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser. If you're using Chrome, look to the top right corner of the window. There you'll find the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of dots. Clicking this icon will reveal a menu of Google services available to you. This is the gateway to accessing various Google applications quickly. It's a simple step, but it sets the stage for everything you'll do next. Once that is done, your next action is to click on Drive. This option is usually near the top of the list in the Google Apps menu. By selecting Drive, you'll enter your Google Drive interface where all your files and folders are stored. This is an important step because Google Drive is where your new form will be created and saved. You should see all your existing files, making it easy to organize your new form later on. Next up, look to the top left corner of the Drive interface. Here you'll want to find and click the plus New button. This bright button is your starting point for creating new content within Google Drive. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu filled with options, giving you various ways to enhance your Drive experience. This step is crucial because it directly leads you to the tools you need to create your form. After that, from the drop-down menu, select Google Forms. This option allows you to create a new form specifically designed for collecting information. You'll see the Forms icon, which looks like a purple square with a white outline. Choosing this option will redirect you to the form creation interface. This transitions you from just storing files to actively creating something new and engaging. With that ready, a brand new blank form will automatically open in a new tab. You'll see a clean slate ready for your ideas. This blank form interface is where your creativity comes into play. You can start adding questions, customizing the layout, and making it your own. This is an exciting moment because it means you're on your way to gathering information from others effectively. Now it's time to name your form. Click on the area that says Untitled Form in the top left corner. This is where you can give your form a title that reflects its purpose. Naming your form is important because it helps keep your files organized in Google Drive. Once you change the title, the file name will automatically update in Drive. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you need to find your form quickly. Next, to add questions to your form, look for the plus circle icon on the floating right menu. Clicking this icon will allow you to insert a new question into your form, making it easy to gather the information you need. This feature is essential for creating a dynamic form that meets your requirements. You'll see a blank question space appear, ready for your input. Adding questions is a straightforward process, and it gives you control over how you collect responses. At this point, you might want to change the types of questions you ask. Use the drop-down menu next to any question to switch between options like multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, or drop-down. This flexibility allows you to tailor your form to the specific information you want to gather. Adjusting question types can help improve response quality and engagement from your users. Finally, to collect responses, click the Responses tab at the top of your form. From there, select Link to Sheets. This action will automatically send all form entries into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. By doing this, you can easily manage and analyze the data you collect. You will see a confirmation appear, ensuring that your responses are being tracked effectively, making the whole process seamless. And there you have it. You are now ready to create and manage your own forms in Google Drive.